What up, YouTube? Here in my possession, finally got in the mail something that is gonna make my car look actually fulfilled. It's been missing for quite a long time, about a year. When I bought my car, it didn't have it. Well, it had the fog light covers, the ones that make it into a blank piece, like it's just flat. And when I took them off, I found out it had fog lights, and they were just really messed up, and they decided not to fix it. So it only took about a year for me to fully get this going, and I can't seem to. One second, I need to cut this up. Alright, I got it. You guys are gonna laugh, but they are fog light covers. It's been over a year since I haven't had anything in the front of my car. So it's just been the fog light. I haven't had a cover on it for a year, and so we have finally got them. I bought them from Amazon, $40. Estimate a little give or take, but they were essentially $40, and they're actually painted black too. So that's perfect. If I can get it to open, strong ass tape. There we go. Boom. They're a little scratched. Nah, they look good, but essentially that's it. I've been needing these, and they're super expensive at Subaru. Probably was gonna spend a good $100 at Subaru, because they're a painted piece. But on Amazon, they're $40 a set, and they can come in either colors: blue, red, silver, black. So yeah, let's see how they look. They're gonna get messed up. They're on the bumper. Everything gets damaged on the bumper anyways. So we'll see. All right. Yeah, and then the junkyard was trying to charge me. Give me a steal, right? 40 bucks? Was it 40 bucks? No, he's trying to charge me 30 bucks a piece for a used one. It wasn't even color matched. Let's see. It goes like that. It's windy. Bam! Put the other one on there. It is windy right now. Bam! Now take a look at that. Now it looks clean. Actually, it does. So. Yes. What? 3. Thank you guys for watching. A quick install. I'm gonna leave down a link down below of where I got them from. Really inexpensive, and it got here in a couple days. Literally a couple days, and I don't have Amazon Prime, so leave a like or dislike, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. Helps out a lot. Now the car looks really good actually, because they were just empty holes. And then you can see the actual fog light, and that wasn't cool. So peace.